My name is Balina, founder and CEO of Token Metrics. I was born in Kampala, Uganda, came to America when I was 8 years old. My dad brought the whole family to Penn State for his doctorate. Then we're like, you know what? We love America, don't want to leave. I love technology, love computers, right? So I would say my curiosity began at a very young age for technology, for computers. I was reading lots of magazines on PC Magazine, Forbes, all these entrepreneurs, and seeing all these people who became billionaires. Jeff Bezos, Bill Gates. And I liked computers, and I was trying to be like them. But I realized that, hey, you know what? There isn't really anybody who looks like me, who's African, who's black. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna make it a goal of mine to change that. So at IBM, I was working as a technical sales engineer for IBM Watson Analytics. I had a chance to really fall in love with AI and ML, machine learning, seeing how that was being used to help non-technical people leverage the power of AI and people in line of business, from sales, marketing, IT, finance, basically non-engineers leveraging machine learning to make their jobs easier. And I said, you know what? Can I apply this in other areas? So I actually ended up using machine learning with IBM Watson to predict my March Madness bracket, because I'm really into basketball. Didn't end up winning, but that's when the idea of applying ML to anything I loved. When I got into crypto in 2016, I said, you know what? There has to be a better way to invest in crypto. So in 2017, kind of began doing what I call token metrics, basically the money ball of investing in cryptocurrencies, and having this data-driven way to invest that was transparent, open source. Anybody could go there, see my trades, track my investments in real time. People saw me take about 20 grand initially and turn that to over 5 million in less than 12 months. And it was all transparent, all open source. At the peak of January 2018, the spreadsheet was getting over 1 million unique visitors per month. That was when I knew there was really a huge problem, and the process I had created was solving it. I like to compare token metrics to Rehoboam and the show Westworld. It's basically this supercomputer, kind of like Watson in a way, but imagine this supercomputer that can take all kinds of data in the crypto space, and eventually maybe even equities and other capital markets, anywhere where there's pricing data. Take this data with all the data points we have, from the quantitative metrics to sentiment analysis to fundamental analysis to code reviews, take all that data and be able to actually interact with you in the same manner as a human. Because right now, the platform is pretty much just a website, a web application. But the vision is really taking this and creating an AI that you can interact with, whether it's through a chatbot, whether it's through talking to it like Alexa or Siri, whether it's through video, something you can interact with that can talk to you. Because I think building wealth really frees people and gives them financial freedom. For me, crypto changed my life. Crypto helped me leave a nice job, but also helped me become a millionaire through crypto in less than 1 year. To me, making money is a game. It may seem kind of crazy, but to me, I view myself as a financial athlete. I want to inspire other people from Uganda, where I'm from, that they can do it, that even they can become a billionaire or make money or just change their lives. Lots of people get scared because they think we're going to take their jobs or AI will replace humans. I mean, for me, I think AI is powerful. I think I'm not afraid of AI making humans' lives easier, because I think that's the point. That's the point of technology. Technology is going to innovate whether you like it or not. So you might as well get on board. So that's kind of my mindset, right? So if anything, I'm looking at everything in the investing space in crypto and trying to see how we can fully automate that with AI. And I think if people can really grasp that and realize this is not just people trying to make money, but people trying to innovate and build the next internet. When you have that perspective, it's massive. Being able to invest in the next internet, it's like going back to Microsoft or any big company that was there in the 1990s and being able to invest in it before a VC did. That is huge, that's massive, and I think that's life-changing. The moon is not the limit. To the moon and beyond.